Unlock the full potential of your Payoneer account by mastering its essential verification process. First, you'll likely encounter a notification within your Payoneer account indicating that verification is required to maintain full functionality and security. This process typically begins with identity verification. You'll need to provide a clear, government-issued identification document. Common examples include a passport, a driver's license, or a national ID card, ensuring it's not expired. Navigate to the verification section in your account and follow the prompts to upload a high-quality scan or photograph of your chosen ID. Make sure all details are legible. Next, you'll likely need to verify your address. This can usually be done with a recent utility bill, such as an electricity, water, or gas bill, or a bank statement. The document must clearly display your full name and current residential address. Upload a clear image of your address verification document in the designated area. Again, legibility is key here to ensure a smooth process. Once your documents are submitted, Payoneer will review them. This verification ensures compliance with financial regulations and safeguards your account against unauthorized access. Expect a confirmation once your verification is complete. This secure and active status allows you to use all Payoneer services without interruption.